Islamophobes. The name of the man who attacked you with the knife is controversial.
How you doing?
I'm trying to get some answers. Can you tell us the name of the man who attacked you?
Sure.
The court docket, the judge, maybe? I'm trying to debate this with my friends.
Are you really? Don't lie. Tell the truth.
I'm trying to get the truth.
Tell the truth.
I'm trying to get the truth.
Tell the truth first.
Can
Okay, I got you. Listen. You want my answer?
Yes.
Okay. First, just tell me the truth. Are you here really because you're trying to debate this, or are you trying to fish for information?
I'm trying to...
Tell the truth.
I'm trying to...
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, okay.
Yeah, so you're a liar.
That's fine.
Yeah, so you're lying, right?
Can you give me an answer?
Yeah, I will, but tell me the first. Just admit that you're lying.
I'm a reporter.
You're not a reporter.
Or
Okay.
American Spectator. Can you tell me anything?
American Spectator, what is that?
I'm a licensed journalist.
He is the Islamophobe, yeah. Go ahead. So you just lied.
No, I'm not. I'm trying
Wait,
to...
you're lying because earlier you said that you're Muslim and you're here arguing with some Islamophobes and you want those answers to shut them up. Now you're saying you're a reporter who's here, so you lied.
No, because...
You lied. You lied. Put the camera on him. He lied and he's caught lying right now in front of all of us. Tell me the truth first. I will. You give me your answer. Did you not lie? Did you lie, yes or no? Did you lie, yes or no? You're a liar. You came here with a lie, and in front of everybody on video, you're caught lying. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. You see these Islamophobes? They come lying themselves, and they accuse us. They come and lie in front of our faces, in front of the camera, in front of the world. You saw that lie? He began with a lie. We got his face. How long is he going to hide behind a mask? Allah will uncover his face, as Allah uncovered his lie. Look, my personal business. Alhamdulillah, I know where I was attacked, when I was attacked. I have my court documents. I don't need to show them to anybody. Inshallah, we have, alhamdulillah, and I'm going to be going to Malaysia. We have a documentary. We're going to show documents when I want. I'm not obliged to help anybody here for them to promote their Islamophobic ideas. These are the same people on the same websites that claim that school shootings have actors in them. These are the same people that tried to get my address through other means. If I give them my court number date and they put a Freedom for Information Act, they will get all my information. And I'm not afraid of them, but I got children.
Say we love Sheikh Uthman for the sake of Allah.
We love Sheikh Uthman for the sake of Allah.
Alhamdulillah.
We love Sheikh Uthman for the sake of Allah. Allah protect Sheikh Uthman ya Rabbil Alamin.
Ameen. Ameen ya Rabbil Alamin.
Allah keep him steadfast ya Rabbil Alamin.
Ameen ya Rabbil Alamin.
Allah enrich his da'wah ya Rabbil Alamin.
Ameen.
Allah guide his hand as many people as you wish ya Rabbil.
Ameen ya Rabbil Alamin.
We're here, Sheikh. Don't worry about it.
Inshallah. I'm just gonna, and inshallah, for the Islamophobes behind this guy here, I just want to send a message. Look, no matter what you try, whether it's verbal attacks, whether it's physical attacks that we have on video, whether it's smear campaigns, whether it's whatever you may do, the da'wah is not going to stop. Even if I'm dead tomorrow, these brothers here from San Diego, they're still going to go out and the da'wah is still going to continue. So do what you like. Last day, khlas day. Huh? Go do what you like. We're not going to stop. Allahu Akbar.